already stated by the General Secretary of Kanchas Dikom and the President in charge of DSU, Siraj Hasnu, brother Siraj Hasnu, that strong delegation team, tamne ekta strong delegation team for the immediate implementation of Article 244A, which is a state within the state, tamne ekta dhana thua hobo jantar mantaron in the first week of this August. Hitu garne hitu bikhoy loi KSA, Karsa, Karbia Dorbar, KRA, and led by the Kanchas Dikom under the leadership of Sir Ajit Timuk. A strong delegation jaboy to first a week of this August to pressurize the government. Je ami kisuman manue get Karbenglot koi je kiba kibi dharna thua ho je kotba SDO fees, kotba BDO fees, kotba kisuman iblak system yat iman porta nupore. Hebabe Karbi Anglo and Dima House of this Autonomous State Demand Committee under the leadership of Sir Ajit Timung tamne teologe sesta Korea se with its allied organization Delhi keneka tamne itu central government karne keneka pressurize kuribo karne sesta kuri ase and simultaneously keneka sesta kuri thakute tamne ebaro tamne first week of this August tamne ami tamne strong dharna tamne tate thobojam in this regard ami tamne kind cooperation. We would like to request a kind cooperation from every stakeholders, starting from the non-political organization, regional political organization, state political organization, and national political organization. Tamne amar genuine legal demand, jo to amar demand to tamne joldi ke tamne implement koribo karne apnalokor karne kind cooperation karne through this platform apnalokok request korisu. Thank you.
Mr. George Timu, yes, Secretary, and from DSU. But they correct on me below, but they do press me. A strong delegation of Kathas Kardiano Institute, the House of the Master Demand Committee, Karbi Student Association, the Madras Student Union, Karbi Misodarbar, Karbi Solomai, Puja, led by Mr. Ojit Timu, President and Mr. Singh Timu, General Secretary from Kathas.com, respectively, and Mr. Mirujenko, President, and Mr. George Timu, General Secretary of KSA, respectively, Mr. Rubjar Bhattari, Vice President, Simbarsha Student Union from Dimahasa of the Central Committee, from Dimahasa Hill District Committee of Assam. In the week, we have living due for New Delhi within the first week of August 2024. During the budget session of Parliament 2024, we see a dharna at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi to pressure the central government to lead by the BJP for immediate implementation of the Article 244 of the Constitution. So the above mentioned organizations severely requested all sections of people, political party, both national and regional and non-political organizations, social organizations of the two autonomous district of Assam in India for granting success of the safe Dharna program at the well of the immediate full implementation of Article 212 of the Indian Constitution to fulfill the long-cherished dream of the people of Karbi Anglong Dimahasa Autonomous District of Assam. We offer our heartiest thanks to and gratitude to Dr. Turam Ronghan, sir, our Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, for giving full interest and full support for the implementation of Article 244 of the Indian Constitution. So, Juthai Kardon, George Timu, General Secretary KSA, Dhiras Kusa, Advisor DSU, and Singh Timu, General Secretary Kansas Digam. AIME John Press Matismu, a code what get him. He was already would do Logia Secretary of the
Tariman Putekalang is within first week of or second week of Pasang. Lasila Pulahe Mohat Nitum Pulo, Little General Secretary Singh Timu, Akolop and GSU Pendak District Committee President in charge, Lapan Tum KSA General Secretary George Timu, Niger Law, Jan Dharna Dodamji Aprangason, Lapan Tum Parliament Asitin Association Danitum Dharna Dodam, Barili Dodam, Hangal Strike Dodam. Lasina Sanda Dam Policy, Sogadam Hot Ini litung kapre organisation dan donji kiwa organisation BSU doji akola pensat do mane ne organisation dola la posini tum dampo pen hala sateng mensi sa dhana ke doji apan katu ke do ki unji apan atu katu ipan actually ni lo all political party both national and regional as well as social organization katumana chuni lo la pen ini tumat CM Dr. Tuliram Lohang Sar, Chief Executive Member Karbianglo Autonomous Council, alang lita full interest sa pidunglo lo sinitum damun bomlo, inota full cooperation interest pilo, ate alang lita autonomous sada nighang bino, lapos alang lipa mitungahin penchuro lo, akola sonata autonomous salong litike, non Dr. Tuliram Lohang Sar sta nangra pupusi nitum ning thilo. Sila sobat lahan walo si dili karji drang tarju kami.
বৰ্তমান ডিমাচা ষ্টুডেণ্ট ইউনিয়ন কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট ইনচাৰ্জত আছোঁ আৰু এইটোৱে আৰু সকলো কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু ডিমা হাছাও ৰাইজে গম পায় আৰু আমাৰ জনতাই গম পায় যে আমাৰ আৰ্টিকেল 244A সংবিধানৰ দ্বাৰা যি আমাৰ ডিমাণ্ড দীঘলীয়া ডিমাণ্ড কোনো নতুন কথা নহয় গতিকে প্ৰত্যেক বছৰৰ দৰে এই বছৰো আমরা এইটো আগষ্ট মাহৰ প্ৰথমটো সপ্তাহত আমি দিল্লীলৈ ৰাওনা হ'ব আমাৰ লগত আমাৰ কেএছএ থাকিব আৰু প্ৰেষ্টেশ্যন আমাৰ ডিএছইউ বহুত কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু ডিমা হাছাওৰ পৰাও লিড কৰিব গতিকে কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ডিমা হাছাও ৰাইজক মই এইটোৱে অনুৰোধ যে এই থানাত যাতে কোনো বেয়া নজৰ নপৰে বা সাকচেছ হয় সেই কামনাই মই আপোনাৰ মিডিয়াৰ থ্ৰুৰে জনাইছোঁ ধন্যবাদ